testify of your mercy and your love, your faithfulness every day. It's by your grace I am standing here today. So from my heart I sing your praise. I testify of your mercy and your love, your faith.